Hello, welcome to another video. I'm Josh the DIY guy, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make these guys from just a regular log. Christmas decorations for literally $0. This is the video. Let's get into it. Basically, you're gonna do this as many times as you need, however many pieces you want. I'm just gonna do 3, and that's how you do it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, you know what to do. I look forward to reading your comments in the comment section below. And for now, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.